If you are a man and you're skipping these 3 moves, you're choosing to rot. Most men don't have a motivation problem, they have a movement problem. See, you sit too much, you scroll too much, and your body is the one paying the price. Your hips are locked, your shoulders are rounded, and your energy is slowly going down. You don't need a 2-hour program. You only need these 3 exercises to rebuild your foundation and stay dangerous. No excuses. Let's go. First, deep squats. This is your lower body insurance policy. Years of sitting in chairs have shut down your glutes and turned your hips into stone. If you cannot sit in a deep squat with comfort, you are stiff and fragile. Deep squats reverse the damage. They wake up your glutes, strengthen the knees, and open those tight hips. And the good news, you don't even need weight. Just drop low, keep your chest up, and control the movement. Daily goal, 3 sets of 15 reps, or just hold the bottom for 60 seconds. Do this daily and your legs won't only look stronger, they'll function like they're supposed to. Second, push-ups. Simple, but most men do them like garbage. Done right, and they are the ultimate daily upper body builder. They hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, while staying joint friendly. And don't give me elf reps. Chest to the floor, full lockdown at the top. Keep your body in one straight line. No hips movement. Daily goal, 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. If it's too easy, elevate your feet. If it's hard, start on your knees. Just get the work in. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Third, dead ends. Your modern life, phones, laptops, driving is pulling your posture forward into a collapse. Your back is weak and your neck is strained. Dead ends are the antidote. Just grab a bar and then. It decompresses your spine, opens your shoulders, and builds a crushing grip. Daily goal, start with 30 seconds and build up to a minute. If you are stronger, do 5 clean pull-ups. A strong back equals a strong presence. Don't ignore your grip. It's the primary indicator of your overall longevity. These 3 works because they eat everything. Squats for the base, push-ups for the power, and dead ends for the frame. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but for your muscles. 10 minutes a day, no equipment, no overthinking, no excuses. Just do the fucking work. Now, these 3 moves will keep you mobile and functional, but if you're doing the work and still the skinny guy in every room, the guy who eats a lot but stays a fucking stick, you have a different problem. You are missing the formula to actually grow. If you are tired of being invisible and want to know exactly how I went from 50 kilos to a 76 kilos of lean muscle without being a genetic freak, you need to watch the video right here. Stop being average, start driving. I will see you there.